The entire month of October is recognized as National Bullying Prevention Month. And throughout the month, students learned about the harmful effects of bullying, how to safely move beyond being a bystander, and how acts of kindness and respect can brighten a person's day. Through teacher-led activities, strong parental involvement, and community support, our students become better equipped to stand up against this negative national epidemic. At Carver Elementary, students signed a No Bullying banner during their lunchtime while pledging their commitment to stop bullying at their school. At Charles Elementary, professional school counselor Nancy Peterson visited each classroom to educate students about what is and isn't bullying. Students worked in teams to identify possible bullying situations, helping them to make the right choice every day. Students, parents, and staff at Lee Hall Elementary spent a weekend morning walking against bullying. Lee Hall's annual Be a Buddy, Not a Bully walk shifted inside because of rain, but didn't dampen the positive enthusiasm of those walking to make a change. And at Crittenden Middle School, the counseling team gave students and staff an opportunity to take a stand by lending a hand. During each lunch period, students and educators signed paper hands with names and encouraging phrases to create a striking mural unifying the school's commitment against bullying. Another signature event of National Bullying Prevention Month is Unity Day. This is a global day to show support for students who have been bullied. Students and adults wear orange on Unity Day to visibly unify against bullying while supporting hope and kindness. At Saunders Elementary, students paraded outside where fifth graders entertained the school with choreographed dance moves. The entire school joined together in one voice, reciting the Saunders Spartans' anti-bullying chant. Leading up to Unity Day, students at Riverside Elementary designed banners and personal posters in each classroom. Menchville High School's drumline and cheerleaders led Riverside's annual Unity Day parade around the school. The parade was filled with music and positive energy as Riverside's students and staff declared a universal message against bullying while supporting those who have been affected.